This is a dimensional sawmill. We're going to cut two 2x4s at a time. Got a Volkswagen engine on it. Biggest thing we can cut is a 12 by 4. One-man operation. It's a crank run the sawmill. On that carriage return. Two boards off. There's the saw. That's a 22-foot long Volkswagen motor. Got an automatic carriage return, something you let it go, saw's going to return back to start position. Here comes the boards back. Pine tree we're cutting today is about 120 years old. No knock. Dimensional saw made over in Oregon. Two more 2x4s coming off. One-man operation.